Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today we're making delicious air fryer potatoes and onions. These air fried potatoes make a super easy and delicious side dish for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For the ingredients, you'll need potatoes, onions, canola oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and melted butter. To a large bowl, add the chopped potatoes, chopped onions, canola oil, melted butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Toss the potatoes until well coated. Next, preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the air fryer is ready, add the potatoes to the air fryer in a single layer and then cook for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown and fork tender. Be sure to open up the air fryer basket halfway through and give it a good shake for even cooking. Once the potatoes are done, remove them from the air fryer, let cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.